Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited with 32,644 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, keyless ignition, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt 4-inch slip-on mufflers. The Electra Glide is the benchmark of the touring class, and the CVO variant takes things in a factory custom direction with a limited production paint set and artistic details, separating itself from the standard Electra Glide models. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electra Glide puts 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 908 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.